In today's lesson, tiri kuita grade 6 physical education and arts. Takatarisa the topic safety. So in grade 5, we explored safety measures and rules for various physical activities. We also learned about safety precautions when participating in physical and arts activities. In this unit, we are going to build on that knowledge by examining specific safety rules, identifying common injuries, and understanding how to prevent them. We are also going to revise the importance of warming up and cooling down. So what we are saying here is pataiva ku grade 5 and earlier kureva grade 4 grade 3 chidzika takatarisa masafety measures nemitemo yatofanirwa kutevedzera kana tichiita various physical activities kuitira kuti tisakuvara during the process. Takatarisa zvakare anonzi masafety precautions, kureva kuti what we have to avoid when we are doing physical and arts activities. So we are going to be building upon that knowledge. Tichange tichivaka pamusoro pezvatakadzidza kudhara, but this time we have specific safety rules atoda kutarisa. Toda kuidentify zvakare common injuries. So these common injuries, they emanate kana kuti common injuries aya anobva pakusatevedzera zvakakwana the safety measures, rules and safety precautions. So we are concerned with safety rules, measures and precautions. Ndo zvatiri kutarisa. And why do we follow these safety rules, measures and precautions? So that we avoid common injuries. So in this subsection, we are going to be looking at safety rules, measures and precautions so as to avoid common injuries. Now let us get to business. Our first subtopic, safety rules and regulations for various physical activities. So we are concerned with safety rules and regulations tiri kuda kutarisa safety rules and regulations for various physical activities. When participating in physical activities, safety rules and regulations are important, kana kuti vital, to ensure that everyone remains free from injuries. So the first reason, paine mtemo, kana mclass mukaiswa mtemo, sometimes we do not understand what waisirwei. Like zonzi don't make noise in class, isusu tichifarira kutaura nyaya dzezvatakasangana nazvo paholiday. It becomes zvinobhohwa zvinakidze. So mitemo inoita senge it's just kuomeserana and stuff. But in this unit, we want to learn the importance of that. And the main importance, chakanyanyisa kukoshera mtemo, zvikuru sei takatarisa physical activities, is the avoidance of, kana kuti tive free from injuries. So rules and regulations are important, tinogona kureplace the word important neword rekuti vital to ensure that everyone remains free from injury. Pasawanikwa anokuvara, tofanirwa kuisa mitemo inoita kuti pasawanikwa anokuvara. These rules give guidance on how an activity should be conducted and help reduce risks. So it's important to see that rules give guidelines. So mitemo inoti panonzi guidelines kana kungoti guidance on how an activity should be conducted and also help reduce risk. Saka ma-injuries atiri kutaura nezvawo ane ma-risks are associated with them atinofanirwa kuavoida. Manzwisisa? Ngatiti tiri kuita weightlifting and tiri kusimudza simbi as our physical activity. Pakusimudza simbi kune vakastada, kune vakaongorora vakaona kuti kana uchirema makgs akati hautenderwe kusimudza simbi dzinorema makgs akati. Akandipe semenzaniso, kana uchirema 30 kgs hautenderwe kusimudza simbi dzinorema 40 kgs nekuti panenge paine ma-risks of injury, a risk of a sprain. Tichatarisa ma-injuries acho just a few moments from now. A risk of a torn ligament, for example. Nema risks akawanda. Saka in order for us to avoid ma-risk aya, kuti vanhu vasakuvara, tunoisa ma-guidelines, tunoisa guidance on how an activity should be conducted so as to help reduce risks. Let me give an example of this movie scene. Saka movie rinonzi Nobit. If you have seen it, you know what I'm going to talk about. So this is Rasputia, who was the wife of Nobit. She was jealous because Nobit was looking at his childhood friend on this water slide. Saka Rasputia aida kuendawo pa water slide, but water slide yanga ine a regulation, kana kuti a rule and a regulation. Yaita zvitenderwe kuti slide pa this water slide kana uri above a certain weight, of which Rasputia was above that weight. So when Rasputia tried to slide down, we all know what happened. Kutakabva flyer zvekutokuwara chaiko. So what I'm trying to explain here is the reason why we have safety rules and regulations. It is that we avoid risks and avoid injuries. Do point yakanyanya kukosha. Saka tinoita sei kuti tiavoide and these risks, kuti tiavoide ma-injuries. Chatinotanga kuita number 1, we have to wear comfortable clothing. We have to wear comfortable clothing. We are going to explain what we mean by comfortable clothing. But before we do that, let us have an image inotiratidza what we are talking about. Let us look at this image. Trukona that boy and this girl. Saka vakapfeka ma-swimsuits avo varoda kuswima. As you can see, pane swimming pool panapa. Comfortable way for swimming during a physical activity. So swimming is a physical activity. Mukomana nemusikana varoda kuswima. Kuti vakwanise kuswima, vanofanirwa kupfeka comfortable clothing. Saka aya anonzi ma-swimsuits zvatinopfeka kana tichida kuswima. As you can see, vese vane ma-glass, ma-goggles avanoshandisa kupreventa kana kuti kuita kuti mvura isapinda maziso avo As you can see, vese vakapfeka mukomana akapfeka shoti yake iri comfortable, musikana akapfekawo swimsuit yake iri comfortable. So participants must wear suitable clothing that allow free movement. So the reason why vachifanirwa kupfeka suitable clothing inhau yekuti suitable clothing allows free movement. And word rekuti kana kuti mawords ekuti free movement ndo akanyanya kukosha. Movement yako haifanirwi kuva yakamanikidzika. When you are doing a physical activity, zvino increase my risks of injury. So suitable clothing allows free movement. Tight or loose clothes may cause discomfort or accidents. Also very important. So tight or loose clothes may cause discomfort and accidents. Maona. Saka tisingotaura maclothes ari tight, kureva maclothes akabata chete. Tiri kutaura zvakare maclothes ari loose. For example, makapfeka zisheti nezishort. Try to run in zisheti nezishort. You are going to see kuti kumanya kwenyu kuchanetsa because mhepo inenge ichasenge chakupeperetsai. So even loose clothes are a problem. Comfort clothes, they should be fitting clothes. Let us look at an example. A skirt while swimming is unsafe and impractical. A swimming costume is more appropriate. So as we can see, this boy and this girl, they are wearing swimming costumes. So we should also add here, kuti comfortable clothes should be fitting. That's also important. They should be fitting. That is not tight or loose. And zvakakosha kuti tizvisive izvi. Comfortable clothes hafanirwi kunyanya kubata, hafanirwi kunyanya kuregedza zvakare. They shouldn't be too tight kana kuti too loose. They should be fitting. Comfortable clothes are also practical for a physical activity. For a physical activity, then this is an example. A swimming costume for swimming. Saka muchaona kuti different physical activities have recommended clothes to be worn. Kana tichiswima, tofanirwa kupfeka anonzi swimming costumes. Kana tichitamba bhora, tinopfeka shooters, tinopfeka a shirt, a short. Kana tichitambawo physical activities are more physical, like akaita sefootball yekuAmerica, kana kuti ngatiti rugby, tinoiziva kunoku iri rugby. Kunyange paine musiyano but practically zvakada kufanana. Tinopfeka protecting clothing akasiyana. Kana tichitamba cricket, tine different comfortable clothes dzatinofanirwa kupfeka. So that is what we should also appreciate, kuti different physical activities have different costumes to be worn. So that's our number one, wear comfortable clothing.